If you have spinach growing in your garden this winter and you are looking for ways to consume it, here is one North Indian recipe that you can use with rice and lentils or in your sandwiches or in a wrap. Hi, this is Ruchi and let's get started. Here I have about 150 grams of spinach and about 150 grams of potato. I have peeled the potatoes and washed them. And also I have washed the spinach. So now I'm going to chop these. So you want to chop potatoes in small pieces so that they become soft very quickly. And you want to chop the spinach finely as much as possible. Next, heat a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add about half teaspoon of cumin seeds. The seeds will puff up and will become fragrant. Now add chopped potatoes. Stir fry potatoes till they are light brown. It will take about 6-7 minutes. Keep stirring the potatoes every once in a while, otherwise they will stick to the bottom. And keep the heat to low, otherwise potatoes may burn. Once the potatoes are browned, now we want to add the spices. So turn off the heat, add a little bit of water so that the spices don't burn. And now add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional. If you don't like it hot, skip it. And about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now mix everything till everything is fragrant. Now turn on the heat on low. Now add the chopped spinach to it and about half a teaspoon of salt. Again mix and let it cook on low heat and cover it. Keep stirring it every once in a while so that they don't stick to the bottom. If it is becoming too dry or sticking to the bottom, add a little bit of water. Once the potatoes are soft, then you can add about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of dried mango powder. Mix it, turn off the heat, and the dish is ready. Serve it hot with rice and lentil, maybe in a wrap or maybe with a toast. Do give it a try and let me know how you like it. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy cooking. Bye.